It is almost July, and if you're planning on going camping or hiking in remote areas this summer, especially if you live in North America, then you're going to need this product. This is the Blavor solar charging power bank, and that's what we're going to check out today. Now, why do I say that you're going to need this product? Well, like I said, if you're planning on camping or hiking in remote areas where there's no place to charge your phones or charge your devices, then this power bank is a good idea to have, for the main reason that this power bank can charge using solar panels. But rather than tell you all the specs of this power bank, I'm just going to show you what this power bank can do, and then we're going to see why that is important, so stick around. And also, I've attached the affiliate link down below so you can check this product out at any time point in this video, but make sure to finish this video to see what this product can do and how it can help you on your hiking trips or your camping trips. Now, we've already mentioned that this is a power bank, but what is the capacity of this power bank? Well, according in here, everything is written in here. You probably can't see it in the video, but everything is written in here that the capacity is at 20,000 milliamp hours. Now, that is pretty good for a power bank. That is, you can charge your devices multiple times with that much capacity. But at the same time, that's not something that's new. It's not something that's it's not overly big. I remember when I had my first iPhone, which is an iPhone 4, and I had to buy a power bank because I ran out of juice most of the time. I kind of had a 20,000 milliamp hours during that time already. So 20,000 milliamp hours isn't superly impressive, but it's still a pretty good capacity if you want to charge up devices such as your phones or maybe your camping light or anything like that. Now, according to the specs that you're going to see as well, that this device can charge up to 18 watts, but that is the overall capacity of how much this device can charge. You can see it also in the bottom here on the different types of charging slots that you can have here, and they have different charging times, and they're going to have different charging outputs, such as if it's going to be 1.5 amps or 3 amps. So you want to go to the maximum amperage so you can charge your device as fast as possible. So at the top here, this is where you are going to have the slots. So in here you have the USB-C, you have the USB-A's. That's where we're going to plug in your wires. And as we open this up right here, so these are the solar panels that is attached to the power bank. So basically you can put it up against the sun, and then it'll charge your devices. So I believe in there is these LED lights here. I believe that's telling you if it's charging or not. And in my opinion, that is really good. I kind of already mentioned that if you're in remote areas or if you're going camping and you don't have access to electricity, then it's good to have a power bank with you that can charge while just being out in the sun. And it has solar panels that can help you charge your devices, so you'll never run out of juice, because we know that our phones is so important when it comes to hiking trips or being in remote areas. Just in case there is an emergency, you can still call for help, and overall it's for everyone's safety. And as we can also see from this device, the power button will be here in the side here, and then let's press this. If we press this, we're going to have a flashlight at the top over here, and as well as a camping light over here. So that'll be this one. So we have a flashlight and a camping light, and I think that's really good to have, especially if you're in remote areas and you're camping or hiking. Then these are safety features to have, and as well as you're just not left in the dark. You're not using your iPhone to have a flashlight, and at the same time you're not bringing extra light with you. If you have a power bank that has a light, then I think that's really good. It's a 2-in-1 device. You're not carrying all other accessories with you when you're camping or hiking trips, so I think that's really good. Now, not only that, the flashlight can also become a SOS light and a strobe light. So right now it's at SOS function, and if we click the power button again, it goes to a strobe light. Now, why is that important? Well, because once again, it's for safety reasons. So if you are, let's say you got injured while doing a sunset hike or a sunrise hike and it's dark out, you can put in the SOS or the strobe light to make sure that, you know, people can see you, and hopefully you get other hikers who can see you looking for help. And if we look at the top here, there's going to be a compass. So these are all important safety features because the compass can help you get back to your, you know, like parking spot. And the other feature this is gonna have is that this has a foldable design, and it's fairly compact. This is around the same size as my iPhone, just a tad bigger than my iPhone. And I have an iPhone 6, so it's probably going to be the same size almost. It's not going to be as thin as like a Pro Max type of iPhones, but like size wise I think it's going to be the same size as like an iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it's still pretty slim. It's still going to fit in your backpack. I don't think it's going to take up that much space. Now this is fairly heavy. I don't know the actual weight, but like I'm holding it in my hand right now. Like it does get tiring if you're gonna hold it for a long period of time, and over time as well. If this is in your backpack, if for those who are hiking, they can say that like every weight counts. And so I think that if you put this on your hiking trips, it might take up some weight. So just be aware of, maybe you might have to remove some devices with you or some stuff to bring with you so that you can bring this product with you. And lastly, this device will also have a charging cable, so you can charge this device through plugging it in. And at the same time, it comes with a carabiner. I don't have them attached right now, but you can attach a carabiner here, and then you can use that to hang this through your tent or something like that. Overall, great design by Blavor, and I really like this product. The main features that it has, that what makes this worth it, is the solar panel, in my opinion, because once again, you don't want to run out of juice if you are in remote or in your hiking trips where there's no access to electricity, because your phones are going to be your main safety feature to have, especially nowadays. If you have this and you can charge your power bank hook that can charge your phone, then this is I think that's what makes this device worth it. And as I've already mentioned, the one thing I don't like about this is the weight. Now, I don't think that's something that you can change because of there's so many features that is packed into this small device, and I think that's what makes it heavy. And at the same time, its casing is also like drop proof. Like this thing is like solid. It has the thick plastic here, then the rubber protection to the corners. Like I think that's also added to the weight, and those are important if this is going to be part of your camping trips and hiking trips. You don't want your power bank or your lights to break, if just in case that you drop it. But overall, the weight is pretty heavy, so therefore you just make sure that you're keeping that in mind when you're bringing this with you. You might need to not bring some stuff that you used to bring before, just so you can bring this, because it has all the features that you're gonna need. And that's it for today's video. If you want to get the Blavor solar charging power bank, the link is in the description below, and it is affiliate link. There's no extra cost to you, but it's one way to support this channel, so make sure to check this out and make sure to bring this with you on your next camping trip or hiking trip. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this, make sure to press like and consider subscribing, and now click on this video right here to see what YouTube thinks that you should watch next. See you in the next video.